Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps immediately. Sign in to your Google account on the app. Once signed in, choose Add a Child and Follow prompts to link an existing child account or create one. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on both devices and keep the child's device near you. This initial pairing is essential because it exchanges verification tokens and sets the supervision relationship, so don't skip these checks before moving on. Once done with pairing, complete the linking and permission steps methodically. On the child's phone, open Family Link for children and teens and sign in with the child's account. Accept the supervision request when prompted. Make sure to grant location, notifications, and the device management permissions so parental controls can apply. Then define core rules. Set daily screen time limits, a bedtime schedule, and app approval preferences. These permissions and rules are how the app enforces limits and reports activity to you. You're almost done. Finish by reviewing and testing the controls. Open your parent app and check activity reports, installed apps, screen time, and location to confirm the child device is reporting. Make adjustments to limits or app approvals. You can temporarily lift blocks or change schedules directly. If something fails, update the apps and iOS, ensure both accounts are signed in and synced, restart both devices, and repair if needed. This troubleshooting sequence resolves most connection or permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.